Alright, so here we are today at the Oakland Nature Preserve, and this is just one of those hidden gems places in Central Florida. We're about 20 minutes north of Disney, and literally we are in the middle of nowhere. Even though the Florida Turnpike is right over there, and we could be back in the city in just a few minutes. So join me as we walk around the Oakland Nature Preserve and see what we can find. You never know. Here in Oakland, Florida, just a few minutes, about 20 minutes north of Disney, outside the city of Winter Garden. And if you want to see Florida, real Florida, this is where you need to come. Check this out. So this is an early canoe that was found in Ocoee by Stark Lake near Ocoee, and they are believe that this is from the late 1800s, early 1900s, and that's the actual canoe they found. It looks in pretty good shape. You got your old Florida outhouse and your well. And you got your new Florida outhouses. Alright, so after you park your car, you come to this little area, and in this little area they've got the classrooms and kind of the welcome center area that gets you going. Then there's a bunch of different trails that come off this main area, and you can see also they do canoeing and stuff down here. But we're gonna go the boardwalk trail. That's the most popular one because it's a beautiful boardwalk that takes you all the way out to Lake Apopka, which is a beautiful lake. And so let's head out on the boardwalk trail. All right, guys. So if you've never been to one of the nice Florida boardwalks, this is what you get. It is the new composite material with the wood, so it's not just wood splintering up. So if you have flip-flops and stuff, you can walk on it, and it's really nice. Now the guardrails are still wood, but man, you can just, this is just so nice to walk on and just to enjoy and listen to cicadas and all the other little things all around. Okay, I didn't want to lie to you and say that it's all boardwalk, but where it's not boardwalk, they've got sidewalk. So, you know what? You want to come out with a stroller, get the kids out and show them some of real Florida on your vacation, this is the place to go. Because it is a nice relaxing time. It is a nice set up thing. Oh, and didn't tell you, but the bathrooms are air conditioned, which is even better. All right, let's keep looking for things. Okay. Don't feed the alligators. Okay, it's a violation, and no matter how annoying and loud your children are getting, you cannot feed them to the alligators. Just don't do it. It's not a good look. It's bad for tourism. Cardinals. So this is a 2/3 of a mile walk each way, which is nothing. And even on a day like today where it's supposed to get up to 90 degrees, you come before 3 o'clock, before 1 o'clock-ish, 1 to 3, and it's not bad. It's not horrible. Just enjoy it. There's a lot of shade, a lot of breeze. Just enjoy it. You got these great little spots here where you can just sit and relax. Nice and canopy and cool. It's about 10 degrees cooler right here.
Do you want to see the baby gators? Yeah. The gators eat they probably eat the grass on you. Think so? I think they do. Thank you. Let's go see them. Maybe we could see them eating one of the grasshoppers. Yeah. The grasshoppers want plants. They don't have the mouth-eating parts to do anything.
It's so tiny. I don't see them. I see them. They can.
Look, right here. They're sunning themselves. Right
Yes.
there, look. It looks just like that. Hey, look at the tree.
This place never disappoints. Tons of little alligators all hanging out by the waterside. Such a beautiful place.
So the next time you're visiting Central Florida, or if you just live in Central Florida, make your way over to the Oakland Nature Preserve. It's a nice way to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city or the attractions and just sit back and chill. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.